When we talk about Pakistan's relations with New Zealand, of course, both countries are far apart and there are oceans between both the countries. But can you tell us about the historical, historical overview of the relationship between both the countries, how the relationship has evolved over the past 7 decades, and especially when we talk about the diplomatic ties between Pakistan and New Zealand?
Number one, it's a beautiful country. No matter how far it is. It is composed of over 700 islands, basically 2 major islands, that is northern and southern. It's a very, very advanced country, which is very highly ranked in HDI, that is Human Development Index. In all fields, whether it is education, health, infrastructure, or human rights, anywhere, if you see the list, you will find New Zealand in first 4, 5, 6 countries. It has a GDP of over $250 billion with a per capita income of something like over 50,000 US dollars. Pakistan's relations with New Zealand have always been very warm because of mutual cooperation and multifaceted especially because they are partners on a lot of multilateral forums like Commonwealth and UN, etc. UN peacekeeping, etc. New Zealand has been a great help to Pakistan during floods and earthquakes. New Zealand has a lot of expertise in minesweeping, and Pakistan has learned a lot in that regard. New Zealand has a special place for Pakistan because of cricketing ties, and also because New Zealand is a huge dairy producer